और बचे तिंडा लगता ये कुछ सिंगल भी रचा ये बैलेंस temple on Thursday. It's nice to come to the temple, it's peaceful. Tea time, coffee time. His evening snacks is Maggie and my milk with coffee getting done over here. So there was an interesting thing that happened today and I feel that I should talk about it. It's just like a small thing, but it's only happens, I feel like, only in Goa and nowhere else. Let me finish, I will not give it talk.
No, I'm not talking.
But yeah, I can talk now.
Hello, are you? I'm in I have also dinosaur. I have also this one. This one.
Okay, fine. Give it 2 minutes.
One.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ira. Yes. So nowadays kids, when they see YouTube or any, so that's what happens. They also tend to vlog. To talk about it, today in the morning when I was coming back, like from one place to another place, a lady was on a bike and the other one was on a circle taking a round on the third exit. Apparently the bike hit on the car and that lady fell off. I stopped, the guy in the behind stopped, and the guy in auto rickshaw stopped it because it was right in front of me. It was such a sweet, and I should say, it happens maybe in Goa, that's what I've seen, or maybe outside India it does happen. It so happened that everyone came out of the car instantly to help. Just left the car, including me. I could not record because not a place to record. And I felt good, that everyone what there has humanity. That's me. Give it 2 minutes, no? So I feel that in such case, you should come ahead and help. If such thing happen, I urge. And there's nothing else, and I felt good. The people who, I don't know their names, but I felt good. They did this kind of.
What is that?
I don't know.
I think money.
Yes.
Okay.
So I feel, such things should be taken considering. I know everybody does it. I'm very happy and glad. So for today, the vlog is done. It's live. It's going to get live. Making some paratha for dinner. And on this side we have
Now I'm taking very much.
keema. I enjoy food, good food, especially food that makes me eat. Especially what my wife makes. Too scared.